Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new to Java and wondering what Java is, why people still learn it, and how to write your first Java program, then this video is for you. In this one video, we'll understand what Java is, we will set up Java on our system, and we will also write a first Java program step by step. Let's start with the basics. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language. It was created in 1995 and is now maintained by Oracle. One of the most famous things about Java is this line: write once, run anywhere. What that means is you can write Java code once and it can run on different operating systems like Windows, Mac, or Linux. Now let me quickly explain how Java actually works. When we write Java code, it doesn't run directly on the operating system. First, the Java compiler converts our code into bytecode. Then this bytecode runs on JVM, which stands for Java Virtual Machine. The JVM is the reason Java is platform independent. As long as your system has a JVM, Java programs will run. JVM is included in JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment. It contains all the libraries to execute a Java bytecode. Java compiler, that is Javac, is not included in JRE, so you cannot compile a Java program into bytecode using JRE. To compile a Java program into bytecode, JDK, which is Java Development Kit, is required. So why should you learn Java? Java has a huge job market. It's very stable and trusted by big companies. It gives you strong programming fundamentals and it's excellent for interviews and data structures. If you want long-term career stability, Java is a solid choice. Java is used almost everywhere. It's used in Android apps, banking system, enterprise software, backend web applications, and even cloud systems. Many big companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Uber use Java heavily. In this series, you will learn Java from the basics and understand object-oriented programming step by step, work with collections, handle errors properly, and we will build mini projects alongside the lessons, and also create complete projects later to apply everything in real-world scenarios. This course is for anyone who wants to learn Java from scratch in a simple and practical way. By the end of this series, you will be able to build real Java projects. You do not require any prior programming language knowledge. You just need to have a laptop and willingness to learn. Now let's move to the practical part. First, we need to install Java on a system. We will download the JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit, as I already told you before. Once Java is installed, I will also set up an IDE so writing code becomes easy. You don't need to worry, I'll show everything step by step on the screen. So this is the link. I have opened this link in my web browser, and if you scroll down, here you can see for Windows, these are available, and similarly for Mac OS and Linux. You can download it as per your OS. Now the next thing is to install Visual Studio Code. So for that, I will open the Microsoft Store here. On this Microsoft Store, you can simply write VS Code. Then here you can see this VS Code available. You can just click on the install and it will get installed. So let us open this VS Code. So you can see our Visual Studio Code is here. Now we'll start with a new file. So file, new file, and we'll be creating a new Java file here. So by default, this came. So now the file name must be the same as the class name we will be making. So Java is a case sensitive language, and so accordingly we need to name this. So let us name hello world and we'll save it. So you can see we have saved the file with the name hello world, and same is this class name. So at first we have written public class hello world. Then we have put curly braces, and inside this we are going to make our main class. Don't worry if it looks confusing, I'll explain everything. So this line, by this line, we have created a class which is named as Hello World, and it is public. That means it is accessed from anywhere in this file. Now let us write the next thing, which is public static void main. And inside this, we'll write string, then parentheses, arguments, that is args. And again, we'll start this process like this. So this is the starting point of every Java program. If the main method is missing, then the program won't run. We'll discuss in detail about this statement in further videos. So for now, inside this main method, we'll write our code to print hello world. So for that, we'll write system with S capital, so system like this. Then we'll write dot out, then dot print ln like this. And then we'll put parentheses, and inside the double quotes, we'll write the text whatever is to be printed on the screen. So here we are going to write hello world. And don't forget the semicolon at the end. Every statement in Java ends with a semicolon. I'll click run, and in the output window you can see the hello world printed here. So if you see this output, congratulations, you have successfully written and run your first Java program. If there is any error, check out if your file name and this class name is same. They should have the same letter capitalized, or the cases of the letter should be same. Then just check it out if your semicolon is missing, or maybe some wrong capitalization like writing string instead of small s instead of this capital S in string, or maybe missing curly braces. Don't worry if you face errors, they are part of learning. In the next video, we'll understand the Java program structure in more details and start learning Java properly from the basics. Make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding!